Hey guys, today you know me, Shivan Poultry. Today I'm going to make a video of how to make a paper boat only with one piece of paper. Okay, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, first you need a piece of paper looking just like this. Now you're going to take this end of the paper and bring it to this end right here. Just like that. But you want it to be equal to the end there. Now press it. Make sure it stays. Now it has to be looking like this. Now all you need to do is make your triangle. Well, your thing can just like this. Your side like that. Take the other side. Well, not actually a triangle. A piece of paper looking just like how you guys make a jet. Okay, paper airplane. Something. Now paper must be looking just like this. Okay, now you take the bottom piece and bring it all the way up till there. And then you do it for the other side. Bring it up. Okay, now you must have the paper looking like a hat. But now you're going to open it gently. Make sure it's gentle. Make sure it's equal and then it's looking just like a square now. Now you have a piece of square. Now you take this end of the paper right here and bring it down to this end. Just like this. Just like that. Then you do it for the other side. Take this piece of paper, bring it straight down to the other side, just like that. So what you have to have now, and now you take this piece, open it, press it right on, and it must be looking like another piece of square. Now you're going to take it and open it gently. Right, and the good thing about it too, you have the bottom piece here. You could actually open, push your finger and pretend you're driving a boat. Watch. Just like that, how you can make a paper boat. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please give it a thumbs up below and leave a comment and please subscribe and enjoy and stay tuned to watch more of my videos. Okay.